Let's explore the auto package feature, which has made package generation more easier and faster. Click on the auto package icon and start by inserting the name of the package which you would like to create. Select the number of adults and number of children who would be traveling. Later, add the destination name and the arrival date and departure date correctly. Click on Add to City to enter another destination. Enter the next destination that you would like to travel. Repeat the same steps by entering the arrival date and departure date correctly. Click on Add to City and enter another destination, or click on Done if there's no other destination ahead. Select the services that you would prefer in your package and then click on Next. Now select the hotel category that you would prefer as well as the number of rooms accordingly. Then select the mode of travel that you would prefer in order to travel between the cities. Later, choose the airport transfer like private or shared transfer based on your preference. Select the different options of Swiss Pass if you would like to buy a Swiss Pass. Now, finally click on Auto Generate button and wait for your package to generate. Your package would be generated even before your popcorn would. Click on Refresh button and you will see that your package has been generated successfully. Now click on the Edit button in order to add meals to your package. You would see that all the components that you had selected has been generated successfully. Now, in order to add meals to your package, go to the Meals section, which is located at the top right corner. Select the city in which you want a meal. Select the date on which you would like to have your meal and the number of adults as well, and hit the search button. You can now see a variety of meal options available for you. Browse through all the options and select the option that you would prefer. You can add transfers along with the meal as well by clicking on the Add Transfer button. Copy the name of your hotel from the Hotel section. Now paste the name of the hotel in the pickup point box. Select the time when you would like to be picked up from your hotel and then click on Check Transfer in order to get the meal and one-way transfer cost. Now paste the hotel name again on the return point box. Select the time you would like to be picked up from the restaurant and then click on Check Transfer. Now the price which you would get would be the meal and return transfer total cost. Finally, click on Add to Package. The meals would be added to the package successfully. You can repeat the same steps for other cities as well.